Finding the right voice lets your writing sing. Listening to the voices around you as you travel through your day and pay close attention to those you hear allows you to learn the cadence of voice, the variety of voice, and the emotional quality of voice. Read to reveal the secret of voice. Look at the style of each narrative voice. What unique qualities create it? Also, what makes each character's voice distinct? The more voices you hear, the better you become at creating them. So read widely. Speaking of voice that bends each ear and every eye to your words, to do that, you have to have confidence, unique perspective, and artistry. You gain that by being fearless, by practicing, by exploring. So dive in and discover the voices within. A Tight Right Bite with Ayla Faye.